If your Windows 11 start menu won't open, doesn't respond when clicked, or keeps crashing, don't worry. In this video, I will show you a real working fixes to get your start menu working again. Why this happens? This problem is usually caused by corrupted Windows files, broken updates, Explorer issues, or start menu service problems. Before jumping to the tutorial, I request you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's fix it. Fix number 1. Restart Windows Explorer. Ctrl-Shift-Escape button or right click on the taskbar. Select Task Manager. In the Processes tab, find Windows Explorer or search here Windows Explorer. Once you find it, right click on that, then select Restart. Now test the start menu is working or not. Fix number 2. Restart Start Menu Process. Right click on the taskbar, select Task Manager, go to Details, go to Search, search for Start Menu Experience Host. Once you found that, right click and hit End Task. Windows will automatically restart it for you. Fix number 3. Run Windows Troubleshooter. Go to Windows search bar, search for Settings, open it, go to the System, scroll down, find Troubleshoot menu, click on it. Here, run the available troubleshooters. Fix number 4. Repair system files. Go to the Windows search bar, search for CMD, right click on the command prompt, select Run as Administrator. Yes. Now type sfc /scannow. Then hit enter. Wait for the completion. Then type DISM /online /cleanup -image /RestoreHealth and then hit enter. Notice the capitalized each letters. Wait for the completion. Then restart your PC. Fix number 5. Re-register start menu using PowerShell. Go to the Windows search bar, search for Windows PowerShell, right click on that, then select Run as Administrator. Then paste the command and hit enter. Wait for the completion. Once it's done, restart your PC. Fix number 6. Check for Windows updates. Go to Windows search bar, open the Settings app, go to the Windows Update menu, check for the updates. If you found any updates, install the all and restart your PC. Fix number 7. Uninstall recent updates. Yes guys, if the issue started after an update, right click on the Start menu, select Settings, go to Windows Update, find Update History menu, click on that, scroll down, find Uninstall Updates and uninstall the previous one which caused the issue. So that's it guys. If search, taskbar and start menu all stop working together, the issue is usually related to Windows Explorer or a broken update. If this video helped you, like and subscribe to FIXsage for real Windows fixes. Comment below whether your start menu was frozen, missing or crashing. Bye bye.